How to update Toobit mobile app safely. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to learn how you can easily update the latest version of Toobit on your smartphone. So first of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the bottom right and tap the search icon, and in the search bar type in Toobit and search. Look for the Toobit application and open up this info section. Check if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it. If it says open, that means your app is already up to date. After you tap on update, wait a moment while the application installs its update, and once it's done, tap on open to launch the new version. Log in normally with your account's credentials, and that way you will be able to safely update your Toobit mobile application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.